Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Kahoot subscription using your phone. Let's get started. First, figure out where you started your Kahoot subscription. If you subscribe through the App Store, you will cancel it through your iPhone settings. If you use your iPhone to subscribe, here is what to do. Open the setting app on your phone. Then tap your Apple ID name at the top. Scroll down and tap on subscriptions. Find and tap on Kahoot in the list. Tap cancel subscription, confirm winner, and that's it. Your subscription will stop at the end of the billing period. If you have subscribed through the website, open Safari or any browser. After that, log in on Kahoot.com. Tap the three lines in the top left to open the menu. After that, go to the billing or account settings, find your plan and tap cancel subscription. Follow the steps to confirm, and that's it. You have now cancelled your Kahoot subscription from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.